Guys, we're playing white noise. I'm sorry my voice is weak, but I want to sound like Elmo, okay? It's a scary game. Actually, I'm gonna stop that. Okay, Authentic, where are you? Oh my god, you scared me. My room was dark if you haven't noticed. That was insane. Okay. Where are you? Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna follow you, Authentic. I'm gonna follow you. I'm going to follow you, okay? Wait, where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. There you are. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Let's go, buddy. Wait for me. Wait for me. I'm going slow. I'm going slow. You need to wait for me. You need to wait. Thank you. Wait, I'm still going slow. You guys are faster than me, okay? Your person is 3 times faster than me. So you gotta slow it down. Okay, I just caught up to you. I do not hear any tape recorders, okay? Let me put the volume to the TV louder, so that way you guys can hear the scariness of this game. I'm gonna scream and shout and let the monsters out. Okay, that was stupid. Wait for me, buddy. Okay, it's the green penis. Okay, let's not look at that. There's gotta be tape here. There has to be. If there isn't a tape, I'm gonna smack this thing. Okay, there is. I hear it. Do you see it, buddy? Okay, the tape. We got it. Now the monster's coming out. I'm gonna need you to slow down, buddy, okay? Where'd you go, bud? Whoa, what the? Buddy? Okay, where are you? Okay, there you go. Why is my guy not running? Why is my guy not running? Oh, there he is. Okay, let's go. Are you trying to signal that he's behind me? Is that what you're trying to do? Because if he is behind me, I'm gonna cry. I'm just gonna turn around. Okay, he's not behind me. Okay, where'd you go? Wait for me, bro. Okay, I'm running. I hear him breathing on me. I'm scared. Okay, just go. I hear him. I'm scared. Oh, okay, I did not see him, but I heard the noise, which makes it much worse. Let's just go, buddy. I'll let you be the tape recorder, dude. I'll be the guy experiencing this. Oh wait, but you're a girl character, so I shouldn't be calling you dude. Well, I'm Chuck Norris, so beat that. Hey, the monster, so can you hurry up? He's behind. He's right there. Okay, slow down, buddy. Slow it down for me, buddy. Slow it down. Nick, are you still there? Nick? Authentic. Wait for me. Ugh. My arms are shaking, and they're hurting. No, what the heck am I stuck on? Stuck on a rock or something? Slow down, buddy. I'm just a hit person, okay? I'm just small Chuck Norris trying to survive in the forest. Why is your person doing the moonwalk? Let me guess, he's that way. The way you're going opposite of where we're going. Let me guess, he's inside his house, isn't he? Well, why don't we just stay inside this house, huh? It won't feel safe in here. Let me just stay here. Face the corner or something. Okay, here, Tape. Where'd you go? You better not leave me. I don't know if you know this, but if we leave each other, the monster comes and kills us instantly. Well, not instantly, but after a while. Okay, you're in that house. I am officially creeped out now. We're doing good. We're doing as good as well as I was with my friend. And my friend got very scared. Where'd you go? He got very scared. He kept on dropping the controller and he would die. And everyone knows I do not like to play this by myself. If someone dies and it's only 2 of us, then I usually just kill myself right away. Because I do not want to survive by myself with the whole torture. I would not be able to play a horror game by myself. So basically, out of all you guys, I would probably not play Amnesia. Unless I have someone taking controls where I'm the top and he's the legs. And yeah, that could be good, but okay, you're gonna have to slow down, buddy. I'm out of breath. Okay, I'm literally about to rage quit. Well, not really rage quit, scare quit. I don't know what you guys would call it. Oh my God, he's that way! Don't look over there. He's naked. If it is a he, because that. What the heck was that? What was that? I'm scared! I'm scared! I can't take this. Oh. Okay, I checked behind us in the 3. Oh my God! Where do I see him? Where do I see him? I don't know. I heard a noise. I don't know where I see him, but I don't see him at all. I just heard a noise. I don't know where he is. But you have to slow down. Oh my God! He's right there! Buddy, where are you? Authentic? Okay. Oh. No one make fun of me in the comments section. I hate this game. You're probably not hearing the guy because he doesn't have a mic, so you're not going to be able to hear him. So it's just me and him. A guy with no mic. Broken one. Why is your girl walking around in a forest with the headphones? Who goes in a forest with headphones while getting chased by a monster? That's like saying, oh, I'm getting chased by a monster, so I'm just gonna listen to Eminem while I'm getting chased by a monster. Or Eminem, or whatever you guys like to say. Eminem, I don't know. It's like, for me, it's like trying to say anemone from Finding Nemo. It's like when he's trying to say anemone. It's like anemone. I live in anemone. It's like that would say, it's Eminem. No, it's Eminem, not Eminem. Yeah. What the heck is? 2 more tapes. This is bad because this is the time he actually tries to kill you. So, yeah, I'm probably gonna die, which that's a bad thing. And the music is very getting loud, and I'm using Turtle Beaches, so this is probably not gonna get good for me. Where'd you go? Slow down. Okay, he's right in front of you. Slow down, buddy. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down, please. Please. I do not like this. I just want to get through this game once and for all and be done. He's behind me, isn't he? Can you turn around and check? Okay, yeah, he was behind me. He was behind me. Yeah, he killed me. Okay. Okay, I'm done. I'm glad through that. Oh, I'm glad that was over.